So let's face it, this year was not the easiest. And when I think of 2020, I often think of the COVID. So let's draw it and destroy it. Ah, 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 ah. It is actually a beautiful germ, and it has all these colors and shapes. So we can do the triangles red, and then the squares. Most of them are orange, but I did see 2 little yellow squares. But this is just reinforcing shapes. There's ovals on top of the spikes. And then you can use a gray or a silver for this background circle. So here I'm taking a Sharpie. It is a little tricky to write on top of the wax 2020, but if you go over it a couple times, it should work. Your other option is to write 2020 on first before you crayon, and then have fun and scribble it out. Now, a lot of people think of red as raging red, so you can use that. You can use any colors that you want. The idea is you are in control, you're scribbling it out. Now keep those pieces aside that you ripped up and go on to coloring. Use some colors that make you happy. Anywhere you are overlapping colors, so yellow and blue make green, and just have fun with it. Time to write our new year. This time I am using an oil-based Sharpie. You can try using a regular Sharpie, and again, you might have to go over it a couple times with the wax of the crayons. You could also use numbered stickers if you don't feel like writing it out. Now we're using those ripped up pieces. We're building a frame around it. You can leave a separation in between, like I'm doing now, or you can fill it in and have it connect all the way. It depends on how big your lid was, how big the actual area was when you did your germ. But I think it looks pretty cool. And that way we're not forgetting 2020. How could we, right? But we're reusing it. Maybe we've learned from this experience. Try to think of the positives. And again, you're structuring this the way you want. Now here we're adding some confetti, but we're doing it with a marker. Confetti is fun to throw, it really is, but it's a great big mess to clean up. So I'm representing it by putting markers on of various colors. It's just fun to do, dotting it on. You could actually decoupage this, so that's putting the glue on top, and then sprinkle it with glitter. You really can do that. Like I said, this is your project. You're in control, whatever you think is right. Now we could have stopped there, but if you want to fancy it up a little bit more, you certainly can. You can make these numbers a little bit bigger by blocking them in. We can add a smiley face. We can add words of things that we hope to see and have in the new year, like hope, health, joy, hugs. Hugs would be nice. No mask would be nice. So whatever you're hoping 2021 holds. Okay, so I couldn't help it. I added some gems, and now I'm putting a little bit of silver paint on just for some sparkle. I will add these hearts on too. Just with a glue stick, or if you want to decoupage, this glitter is fun, glitter paint. And that's glitter without the mess. Woohoo! Now, I personally am not afraid of mess, but it is easier this way sometimes. I wish everyone a happy, healthy new year.